Hi, my name is Alan from HawkDive, and today we're going to be diving into the world of how you can create your own AI generated character or model from scratch.
Hello there, and welcome to HawkDive, your go-to destination for the latest tech news and insightful articles.
So I'll be using a lot of different things or different AI tools throughout the video. I'm not going to be covering them literally one by one, step by step, but I'm going to try to make this tutorial video or a guide video as self-understandable type of video as much as I can. So let's dive in. I'm going to be hopping into my computer and I'm going to open up my browser. So the first thing that we need to do our AI character, or as what you have seen at the start of the video, I played something there. We're going to be creating our script for the AI model. And for that, there are a lot of different options, but my top two choices is basically chat.openai.com/chat or just plain chat.openai.com/playground. Now, OpenAI, as we all know, this is a research and development company founded in 2015 by Elon Musk and Sam Altman. And basically, it is what powering ChatGPT and other AI platforms at this point in time. So, you can see there are a lot of guides in our website, HawkDive, wherein you can see the different things, such as how to use ChatGPT and how to create an account in ChatGPT. So I would not cover that in this video, but if you do want to learn more about it, you can check the website. So as you can see, we open chat.openai.com/chat. So here, I'm going to prompt it. I need the script. Create me a 30-second or a minute, you know what, a 30-second script about HawkDive's YouTube channel. Let me see what it comes up with. Introduce HawkDive, the ultimate destination of all your gaming needs with over... Okay, that is kind of a scam, but you know what? Let's manifest it. Let's stop generating and I will ask it again. I'll ask it for create a YouTube introduction script. Create a welcoming script for my model about HawkDive, which is a tech article website. Let's just do it like that. Let's see what it comes up with. So basically what we're trying to do right now is ask ChatGPT of things that our AI character model will say, like, let's say, hello there, welcome to HawkDive. Should go to destination for the latest tech news and insightful articles. At HawkDive, we're dedicated to bringing you the most up-to-date information about the latest tech trends, gadgets, and innovations. And I'm reading this right now, but we're not going to be using my voice later when my character says the exact same thing. So you know what? Let's finish this sentence right here, and then we're going to click stop generating, and we're going to be done with our script. We're going to keep this in the tab. And hey, there you go. I think that's done as well. Okay, that's good. I like this one. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna save it somewhere else. So let me just... All right, so now that I've finished copying what I wanted from the script, you can also use Playground. But the thing with me is that Playground, apparently for today, after testing it for quite a while, is not available anymore. As you can see, once I go in here and click submit, it doesn't allow me or give me any more answers from my prompt because I've been trying it for this video and then now I cannot use it anymore. So I'm not going to be using default Playground, default chat. So we're going to be moving on into actually creating our character image. So what is my character image? What do I want it to be? There are actually a lot of different generators or AI generators that you can use, such as DALL-E and Photor and Midjourney. We're going to be trying all of them for this specific video in creating our model. As you can see, these are some images created from DALL-E or with DALL-E, and these are some images created with Photor. So, and where's that? And some images created on Discord. So, Discord Midjourney, I mean. So now we can ask for ChatGPT's help, specifically if you are not used to prompting. What I'm going to do is you are going to pretend to be Concept 2 Prompt AI, or CTPAI for short. And then what I'm going to do, this is from Reddit, by the way, the one that I'm copying right now. I'm going to put the link on the description down below. But this is what we're going to do. And then after providing a prompt, you're going to ask the user. Basically, what it asks the ChatGPT is ChatGPT may or should act as the concept to prompt AI. And then it's going to ask for what images I want from my imagination, from my own prompting. And then it will ask the user for the concept I'm going to type. And then ChatGPT will type it in a code box. And then after I provide the prompt, ChatGPT should ask me again the 3 different options for my prompt or concept. So I'm going to enter that out. Okay. So the concept would be a photo of a black-haired, beautiful woman on a white shirt shot in a studio. Because that's what I envisioned, like a reporter, right? Generate a photo of a black-haired woman with a striking features wearing a white shirt. So this is on CSS right now, but it's still typing. It's not done. And then I would let's just press yes for now. The woman should be positioned center of frame, looking directly at the camera. The lighting should be soft and even with no harsh shadows or highlights. I'm trying to read the top part right here, but it's generating a thing. So you know what? Let's wait for it to finish. But for now, I'm gonna copy the top code actually because I think I would like it. Preferably a neutral shade like white, gray, or beige. The overall good mood of image should be sophisticated and elegant. Okay, we copied that. And then now we're gonna go into, let's say, Midjourney. Let's start with Midjourney. So we do this, right? And then next would be we're gonna do at the end of the thing, we would do comma, then we do dash dash AR, which stands for ratio. We can do, what's the usual size? 5:3. Let's try that one. And then we're just gonna copy this for now. Enter. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. Slash imagine. Then you do the prompt. Then you press enter. Oh no. Oh no, it doesn't want to work. Midjourney doesn't want to work right now. This is an unlucky timing for creating videos on this subject matter. So I think we're not going to be able to use Midjourney as well. Just like Playground, hopefully DALL-E can help us for today. So we're going to generate the same thing that we asked. The server is currently overloaded with other requests. Oh no. This is so bad. Let's try a different one. Last one. You're the only hope. Photo. Okay, we can do sign in. Unlock. I'm going to use sign in with Google. This is our only hope because this is our first time using photos, so we're a little bit in the priority side. So I do hope for something that would be useful for this specific video because we can't use any of these softwares or AI websites that I like. So you know what? We can do black-haired woman with striking features wearing a white shirt. How should we position? You know what? I like both. We're gonna do download though, but we're also gonna regenerate. We see the image. This is 5x. I asked for 5x4, but I don't think this specific platform knows what AR 5x4 is. Oh, actually, we can just do aspect ratios right here. We can do 3x4. We can change it. Then we can regenerate again. We can do styles as well on this particular platform. Sadly, we're not going to be able to do just a normal character. So what if we do an oil painting type, right? We can do a composition, we can do a large aperture, we can do gaming, we can do macro. There's a lot of different settings from this website. We can regenerate what we wanted here. So we can do this. We can do generate one more time. We have one more time left for the fast mode and then 0 time for the standard mode. But it is fine. This should be enough for the video. Actually, I really like this one. This one right here. They're both great. So I'm going to do download all. And now we have our image. Lucky for us, we were able to find a site Or at least I recommended 3 sites for you guys to try it. That's why we have multiple different websites to use, so that we're not locked into one, especially if one is not working, we have another one to be used. So that's good. What I'm gonna do is just click show in folder, and I'm gonna be dragging the photos or the folder on my desktop right here. As you can see, we have two. I think this one is the one where we have what we like. So I think I'm gonna keep this. And then as you can see, we have this 2 photos right here. Now we have the photos that we want. Amazing. Now you guys remember that we have our script from earlier, which is this. Now it's time to actually do and make that into reality, or at least in a voice way. We're not gonna ask, or we're not gonna need ChatGPT anymore and all the other website. Luckily, again, luckily, we have multiple sites, because look, there's a lot of websites that are down right now at this point in time. I'm currently recording at 10:50 p.m. KHT, and I think there's a lot of people from around the world that is using all these AI platforms, because who wouldn't want to use them? It's like an instant content creator in a way. So we're gonna generate and create our voice. For this one, we'll be using, or at least I'm gonna be trying to show you all the sites. So give me a moment, I'll put them on the tab. So there are 3 websites to use. Now, the free one, or at least kind of a credit type one, as a Prime Voice AI from 11 Labs. Personally, I would use this because you don't have to log in with everything. You can just test it out, record this, download this. Let's say I'm going to put the script. This is my script. I'm going to copy it on my tab. I paste it. You can just click play. But again, I would have to mute that because this one is a boy and I need a female one. So we actually have to sign in. You get the idea. I'm going to move on into plural type real quick. What we can do here, convert text to speech using Amazon Polly. And this one we cannot use because you would need to synthesize speech from the AWS console. But this one is just another site that is possible to be used and to create a text to speech type of. But we're not going to dwell into this one because it's a lot more advanced, and we want the video to be as self-explanatory or self-understandable to the people watching. So right here, we have the Google Cloud text-to-speech lifelike AI speech. We can try it for free, and then new customers get 300 free in credits because it's a credit-based again. We can try it for free. We just click try for free, Google Cloud Console. So give me a moment. So sadly, I also won't be able to show you this Google Cloud speech because it requires a payment verification, which I won't do just for this video, sadly. We're not going to be doing that. But those are some options that you can use. I'm just going to use this one, 11 Labs. Why not? All I did is basically log into the website and I'm good. Now I'm going to do pre-settings and search or look for like someone that talks like a female. So we're gonna do voice to be more stable and then clarity to be more high. And then now we're gonna be pasting one. We only have a 10,000 quota remaining, which means our credit. It depends on how much credit is used, depending on the word or the length of the text. As you can see, we're gonna be using 658 of our 10,000 credit. So let's do, we want to do and look for, I cannot hear. Oh, I'm muted. I like that. Okay, let's just do that. Bella. Do that, we do that. Boom, boom. We click generate. We just wait now. Waiting. Boom. That's it. Easy as that. We just click download. Now we got our synthesized audio that we can place right next to our image. I'm still kind of picking which one I would like better, but we can try both. So after that, now we got the voice, we got our character. What's left to do is to compile them. There are 3 websites that you can use. We can use DID, we can use deepbrain.io, and we can also use this script AI. Do that, like this, create a free AI video. Then for the DID, you want to click this one. This is credit based again, so we only can do free trials. So I'm gonna log into all of the website real quick, and then we're gonna click sign in. All right, so I'm sorry, but this one right here, this script requires a software. As you can see, it is canceled because I cannot install softwares at the moment in time. But what I can tell you is that this one right here is not really what we exactly need, or at least not the most efficient one of the three ones. So that's a good one. Basically, it is more of a video recorder editor over kind of a mix. You're gonna see it later on with DID. As you can see, we can ask basically ChatGPT what it is. Basically, this script is a web-based audio video editing software that uses AI-powered tools that you can do auto transcription by this script, and then text, video, and audio editing, but not combining. So this one is more of the final if you want to add or change like some color correction in the video, but you won't exactly need it for the moment. Now, is it free? It is, but it has a lot of limitations. With free plan, you can subscribe only up to 3 hours per month and more basic editing features over the advanced features. So we're not going to be doing this one. I don't want you guys paying for something that you don't exactly need for the tasks that we're doing. My research is right. Just click new project. There you go. And then it will do its own thing. We can choose our human. The thing with this is it does not allow for custom model. As you can see, there is no option for actually, if we do reset, we only have the choice to select a character, but we don't have the choice to upload our own model like on DID. This one, it's cool. Okay, let's say we have our script. Let's say you guys are just, you guys are lazy and skipped the whole chapter 2. I don't know why you would do that, but what we have here is basically audio preview, synthesizing. We wait. This one's for free, by the way. You can just log in with any Google account, same as with the other things that we've tried. So while this is synthesizing, oh, there you go. As much as I liked how it sounded, it didn't pronounce Hawkdive properly. And also, the AI models doesn't really change or talk. They're literally just PNG slapped on the top. This is more of a slide maker over than combining the text or the script and the voice and the character as they talk. You know what I mean? You know what? I'm just gonna dive into DID. I'm gonna click create video right here. I'm gonna choose a presenter. Give me a moment. Let me select our character here. I would like to select this one. Can upload. We wait for it. There you go. She is uploaded. She doesn't look as humanly as it is because we did use photo for it. But we're gonna do upload our voice. Click upload voice, and then we just select the file that we created earlier using 11 Labs speech synthesis. I think that should be good. And now what we do, we just click generate video. Generate 3 credits. We have 20 left. Again, credit space. We click that, creates a new video. So now we wait. So just for the fun of it, I actually did and use both images. And now let's actually just quickly check both of them. This is the one. As you can see, our character talks. It might be a little glitchy, but think about it clearly. Everything that we've done here so far is basically all from AI. Now, if I actually play this other one, I think this one looks more formal and it will look way better than that other one. More natural and more okay looking. This is not as glitchy as the other one. So I'm gonna use this one and click download. Now it's gonna be downloading. Takes just quite a few moments here. Boom, it is downloaded. You can now click it, play it as an MP4 file. See what I mean? The other ones doesn't allow for this one. The animation of the mouth, the tilting of the head, the blinking part, they are all not visible on the other editing software such as Descript and DeepBrain. If you really want the same results that we've gotten here, you must literally use TID. It's the most useful one, easiest one, and for free, and it has a lot more credit than those other softwares that would not allow you to even try the free trial properly without downloading softwares or paying upfront. So that is it for me. Again, this is Alan Avila from Hawkdive, and hopefully you did learn a thing or two, even though this thing is such a repetitive topic. But I just wanted to show you that there are actually other things that you can use over the one that are present on most tutorial out there in the internet. Sadly, we aren't able to use them because not all the software. I don't want to pay a upfront fee, and I just don't want to waste my time on the things that I specifically know that isn't worth the time of yours too. So, hey, again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe in this YouTube video. Check out the article down below. I've written it as well. Check out the other articles over at Hawkdive because they are really cool as well. So, yeah. Anyway, goodbye and have a nice day.